Good morning, students. In the chapter Health and Disease, you have to read one topic, that is principles of treatment. In this topic, you should know how. Good morning, students. I Nutan Sinha, bio teacher. Today I will teach you about the principle of treatment in the chapter Health and Diseases. Children, whenever you get any infection, then you go to a doctor who prescribes certain medicines which either reduce the effect of the disease or kill the microbes causing the disease. And you know that disease causing organism is called pathogen. Thus, there are two methods of treating a disease. These methods are reduce the effects of the disease and other is treatment to kill the cause of disease. This is NCERT book. You are looking this. This is NCERT. It is given in this. There are two methods of treating a disease. First is treatment to reduce the effects of the disease, and second is treatment to kill the cause of the disease. Firstly, we discuss about the treatment to reduce the effects of the disease. How can we reduce? In many cases like cough, pain, nausea, diarrhea, etc., doctors prescribe medicines to reduce the effects of the disease. For example, suppose when you have cough and you go to doctor prescribes a cough syrup to give you some comfort. It will, however, not kill the cause of the disease. In second case, suppose medicines are prescribed to relieve you from pain, diarrhea, fever, etc., without actually curing the disease. In that case, doctor treat to reduce the effects of the disease. And in second case, that is treatment to kill the cause of the disease. Here, suppose disease is caused by different infectious agent like bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoan or an arthropod. They differ from each other in structure and biochemical characters. Microbes of the same group have similarities in their structure and life processes. Therefore, an antibiotic may work against several species of bacteria. Human body have a different structure and physiology. Hence, antibiotics have no damaging effect on our body. Antibiotics kill or inhibit microbes by inhibiting cell wall formation, interfering the protein synthesis and inhibiting their nucleic acid metabolism. Next, but viruses, what about viruses? Viruses are quite different in this respect because you can see here antiviral, this is very important. Antiviral medicine is harder than making antibacterial medicines. Is that viruses have few biochemical mechanisms of their own. They enter our cells and use our machinery for their life processes. This means that there are relatively few virus-specific targets to aim at. Despite these limitations, there are now effective antiviral drugs. For example, the drugs that keep HIV infection under control. Is it clear? Viruses are quite different in this respect. They have very few mechanisms of their own. When a virus infects our body, suppose it enters in our body, it makes use of our cells, machinery for its life processes. Therefore, making antiviral drugs is more difficult than making antibacterial drugs, as there are limited targets to aim at. Is it clear? Despite these limitations, some effective antiviral drugs have been synthesized for controlling HIV infection. So, this is principles of treatment. In next video, I will describe about the principles of prevention. Thank you. Have a nice day.